Today's video will be about solving this problem on calculating the demand elasticity given this information. So a company is selling a product at $0.5 and they sell 400 mugs at that price. But when they lower the price by 10 cents, they increase their quantity sold by 600. So the question is, what is the elasticity of demand? Now, elasticity of demand and supply uses the same formula, the percent change in quantity divided by the percent change in price. And this is an absolute number. So the percent change in quantity, instead of memorizing the working formula, let's think about it a little bit differently. So so let's start with change in quantity is 400 minus 600, 200. Because we are calculating for an absolute number, so negatives will all turn to positives. And the change in price is 10 cents. Now the percent, so now we have a quantity, and now the percent, remember, is always the total divided by the number of items. So that is basically how you calculate any percentage, so we can apply that into quantity. So the total here, the total would be 400 plus 600, so that's 1,000, divided by the number of items, so that is 2. So that's how you would get percentage. Now to get the percent change, that will be 200, so that's our change in Q, divided by the percentage formula, which is 1,000 divided by 2. And for price, same thing. The percentage can be measured by the sum of what we want to measure, so that's 0.9 divided by the number of items, which is 2. So this would be the percentage, therefore the percentage change in price would be 0.1 divided by the percent. Once again, this is an absolute number, so it will be positive regardless. So for our numerator, remember to do the brackets. So this is a value for elasticity. Is this elastic or inelastic? Reducing the price increases the quantity sold. That means this is elastic. Stick is when the value is above 1. And if it were inelastic, it would be beneath 1. So that would be like 0.5, 0.1, etc.